Hello everyone and welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, which is market analyst at Hantec, on Tuesday the 10th of March, looking at gold. And we have had a risk rally and subsequently that's pulled gold a bit lower. You've seen treasury yields coming higher and the dollar strengthening. So subsequently we've seen gold coming off the top. No real surprises there. A little bit of profit taking. We've had a good run on gold. It hit 1702 yesterday before coming back. A slight element of rolling over on these momentum indicators now. Interesting that we have seen this coming through around this 70 mark, around this 80 mark on the stochastics previously. Last one in early Feb, where we saw a couple of days of corrective move. What was that retracement? 1591 to 1546, so about 45 bucks of move to the downside, and already we've seen around about that sort of level of retracement. So I think maybe 23.6% fib is a fairly decent ballpark area. I've redrawn that Fibonacci retracement to take account of that move to 1702. That comes in at 1641 now. Today's low is 1649, but it's interesting on the hourly chart. You can see this head and shoulders top pattern formation. Now the market is forming lower highs, lower lows. It's starting to fall away. You've got momentum which is falling over a little bit, not outright corrective by any means on hourly MACD or RSI, but just a little bit more correctively configured, you could argue, that would take account of probably what we'd see as a little retracement move. You could argue that you could measure that 1702 down to maybe 1660 area as a little top pattern. Again, that gives you 40 bucks of corrective move back down to 1620, you can argue. So I suppose in that regard, you've got a ballpark area of sort of 1640 to 1620. And don't forget, what we tend to say is that bull market corrections tend to undershoot their downside targets. So 1640, 1630 area, I think you can start to think about sort of support coming in around there. And any sort of weakness, I think, on this chart would help to renew upside potential and play this uptrend once more to see probably further gains. And if the market hasn't, for example, seen the end of the selling pressure through coronavirus, I can't imagine you wouldn't see gold pushing on those highs once more on a medium-term basis and beyond. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website to sign up for our webinars.